said fire it up, and her soul said fire it up, and her mind said fire it up, and love him again.
Hi, I'm Tyson Ehlers. I'm a mycologist. This is the 13th annual Sicamous Mushroom Festival.
Yeah, hi, my name's Larry Evans, and I've been doing the Sicamous Mushroom Fest here for over 10 years, for sure.
My name is Daniel Winkler. I live in Kirkland, Washington. Grew up in Germany, and I do love mushrooms. My specialty is ethnomycology, how cultures use mushrooms.
The colored spores on their ring that's on the stem there. So these are sort of a chocolate brown spore, and so that is what they call spore grain. You can take the cap off the mushroom, put it on a piece of paper, and it'll drop the spore powder on and get a deposit that is the spore grain.
This is an amazing event, the biggest little mushroom festival in BC that I know of. And every year we gather here to see what the bounty of the forest is. Part of that involves cooking demonstrations. It's getting bigger every year. We've got music. The legacy was the Steiner family starting this, and we're carrying it on now through the community.
You and me still trying to figure out the world, trying to find a reason to believe what makes this big ball turn. If we hold on to each other, give love, show love for all love's worth.
This year is an awesome year. So the rains came early enough, and it makes a big difference, you know. There's sometimes we have mushroom festivals where there's very few mushrooms and it's hard picking, but this year the forest is full of mushrooms, and we find lots of chanterelles and all kinds of other good edibles, and that really excites the people and excites us too.
It was a very successful Fungi Festival. The weather was amazing. The mushrooms were great. Everybody that I've talked to just loved the walks and the experts, and can't say enough about it, and think that this just is a really wonderful event that Sicamous hosts.